Dashcam manual recording. What is it? Why do you want it? Why would they even put it on a dash camera? I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dashcam specialists in Mission, BC, Canada. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave some comments down below. Also, if you're looking for any other videos, check out our description. We have plenty of links to plenty of other videos that we have. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. So anyways, on with what is manual recording on a dash camera. Top 5 reasons you want manual recording on a dash camera. Number 1, recording accidents. Now, let's say you're driving down the road, you weren't part of the accident, but you see this accident happen right in front of you. Simply hit the manual recording button, and on the ThinkWare cameras, they'll actually go back 10 seconds and save a separate video file of the incident. You may ask, why would you want to do this? Well, it's just so it's easier to actually find the video at a later date. Well, oftentimes we get busy, we're driving to work, some of our commutes might be 30 minutes to an hour. And then you get to work, you finish your work day, and you wonder, when was that accident that I seen this morning? Was it at 8:15 or 8:20? And now you're trying to remember those times. So this makes it a lot easier to retrieve that video afterwards. Maybe you want to just share it on the socials, or maybe you want to help that person out who was in that accident. Number 2, voice memo. So oftentimes you ever find that you're driving down the road, you see like a really cool sign, and wow, that'd be cool to bring the kids to that event. Or, man, I didn't know that rocker was coming to town and they were going to have a concert. Well, guess what? Hit the manual recording button and yell that information out. It's a lot easier to find those manual recording videos at a later time with the dash camera. So it's not always easy to just grab our phone, and obviously as you're driving down the road, you're not supposed to be playing with your phone. So why not hit the manual record button and yell out something that you want to remember? Number 3, someone cut you off. Nobody likes driving when there's someone else driving aggressively and cuts you off, almost causing an accident. Hit that manual record button. That way it's easy for you to go back and view that information. I recently had somebody actually drive through a red light going about 80 kilometers an hour. Almost took out 2 other cars. I hit the manual record button so that it would actually record the incident as it happened. As I drove down the road 2 minutes ahead, the guy actually ran a red and smoked another vehicle and took their whole front end bumper off. So I was able to submit this dash cam footage to the police to kind of help out with showing that this person was driving recklessly coming up to the accident. And just kind of proves the intent of that person's driving behavior. Either way, up to you, but there is lots of cool things that you can do with it, or you can just throw it on the socials and make fun of them. Number 4, license plate marker identification. So, why do we want to do this? Well, oftentimes we may see incidents happen or may have things happen to us while we're driving. If you hit the manual recording button and yell out the license plate of the person, not every time does the dash camera catch the license plate information. So it's something I do recommend doing, is hitting that button, and what happens is you can speak out, V2V, Zero Brother 3, whatever the license plate ends up being, and what ends up happening is now you have a manual recording of that information, so you can go back and play it later. It's not that your dash camera isn't recording while you're driving, it just makes it a little bit easier to find the file instead of hunting through, did it happen at 8:10, 8:15, 8:12? Instead of going through multiple videos, it's just easier to find. Number 5, scenic drive. Have you ever just going on a drive and just it looks so beautiful, the mountains are everywhere, the trees are out, you're driving down a beautiful road, and you just want to remember that experience? Well, for me, I like hitting the manual recording button. Sometimes, when we're driving out to Harrison, it's a nice, beautiful, windy road, and I'll actually hit the manual recording button. And sometimes I'll use that in my videos as well. It's nice to throw in the socials, share with your friends and family. It's pretty amazing what sometimes these dash cameras will pick up.